Hello and welcome back to our channel. Also, as usual, we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your this group can be displayed problem on your Telegram app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let me mention this one thing first. Most of the time whenever you log into your Telegram, but most of the groups that you're added to before and you can't get access to that groups are banned by Telegram itself, because that group must have violated some of the Telegram's community guidelines. So if it was the case, then there are not much thing that you could do about it. But if you cannot get access to Telegram groups because of some content issue, then you can check on that. So to solve that problem, what you will have to do is go to your web browser. You can go to any of the web browsers that you have access in your phone. They can simply type in web.telegram.org login. So you will simply tap on that, and yeah, this particular interface will come up after you go to that page. Then you will just add in your number and simply tap on this login option. Then you will get this code on your phone. Then you will simply add in that code, and then you will log in back to your Telegram itself on this web browser. So what you will do is you will see this three horizontal line on top left corner of your page. Tap on it. Then you will simply go to this option called settings, and here you can find an option called privacy and security. Tap on it, and then you just scroll down, and then you will see the sensitive content option, where you will see the option called disable filtering. You can read down there, display sensitive media and public channels on all your Telegram device. Tap on that, and then you can simply get this blue check mark. So that's how you can fix if you have a problem that you cannot get into your groups. If it's still not being resolved by this option itself, then you have to consider that your group has been banned by Telegram itself because of some guideline issues. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope one of the reason could be the cause of your problem and you can resolve them successfully. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.